Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily create subtasks for your subtasks in Clickup. So what you want to do first is, let's say that I would go here and click apps in the profile and click apps. When you're going to click on the click apps, you want to actually find a one-click app, and that's nested subtasks. Nested subtask will give you option to have hierarchy for your subtasks. So enable, and subtasks levels, let's go with 3. You can really have more if you want to. And then let's go back, and here I will just click and add a new task. So this is my first task. I'll even zoom in more. Now I will click here, create a subtask number 1, and let's say that what you can do is also transfer it, and what you can do is easily add the task right now to subtasks. So I have subtask to subtask, and also what you can do is to create subtask for this or create subtask for this. And as I mentioned, I decided I can have only 3 levels, no more in my subtasks, so I won't be able to create more subtasks. But as you can see, if you're gonna have it like this, you are covered, right? So again, you click here, create a subtask, or like here. And then when you would click on it, you see it right here, to do subtasks. And you can add multiple new subtasks to your existing subtasks. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.